But just when we couldn't love Tom Hanks anymore, he does something else to just melt your heart. What's he done now?
I mean, yeah, look, this is incredible, and it's just so indicative of Tom Hanks and his wife, Rita Wilson. So he lifted the spirits of a young Australian boy who was being bullied because of his name. Just terrible. But I know how that feels as a kid. So Hanks sent this Corona brand typewriter to 8-year-old Corona DeVries. It all went down after the pair exchanged letters. Corona wrote to the Oscar winner asking if he and his wife, Rita Wilson, were okay after being diagnosed with COVID-19 in Australia. He then went on to say he was being teased at school. So Tom Hanks wrote back and said, "You're the only person I've ever known to have the name Corona, like the ring around the sun. A little crown." Corona said the letter and the gift made his day. Listen.
Yes, very special, because I always feel like I'm famous. He said I'm a friend of him, and I'm going to write back soon.
Guys, I know what it's like to have a name that most people are not familiar with as a little kid, so I'm totally down with this story, Anthony.
Yeah, what a great gesture. What a beautiful typewriter, by the way, too, Vlad. Thanks.